Troops, good afternoon. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever company. Merge, Selecta, big tub and small tub. Ito po sila. Sa big tub, meron tayong Super Thick Vanilla 3 liters. Next, meron din tayong Selecta Road, Rocky Road 1.3 liters ice cream. Next, meron din tayong Selecta 2-in-1 Cookies and Cream Rocky Road 1.3 liters. Next, meron din tayong Selecta Double Dutch 1.3 liters. Meron din tayong Selecta Ice Cream Obi Queso, available po sa 1.3 liters. Next, meron din tayong Mango Float, big tub po to, 1.3 liters. You can buy it from any grocery stores, most grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong Obi Queso, available for 1.3 liters. Next, meron din tayong Cookie Crumble, available po sa 1.3 liters. Next, meron din tayong small tub sa Selecta Rocky Road, available po sa 750 ml. Next, meron din tayong Selecta Cookies and Cream, available po sa 750 ml. Unilever po yan. Unilever RFM Ice Cream. Next, meron din tayong Selecta 3-in-1 Choco, Queso, and Obi. Available po siya sa 750 ml. Yan yung mga Selecta Big Tub. Next, meron din tayong Selecta Choco Almond Fudge, best seller po to. Available po sa 750 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Selecta Rocky Road, best-seller din po ito. Available po siya sa 750 ml ice cream. Unilever po yan.
Ngayong adlaw na ka-royalties, ang early renewal offers 50% discount on your membership renewal. 25 pesos na lang inibayaran na renewal.
Next, meron din tayong Cookies and Cream Double Dutch 2-in-1, available po sa 750 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Selecta Coffee Crumble. Available po siya sa 750 ml po. Yan. Next, meron din tayong Selecta Rocky Road. A creamy ever with added 110% milk fat. 750 ml po siya. That's it for today's Unilever Company merge. Selecta ice cream, big tub and small tub. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merge videos. Respect. Always rise. Never give up. Thank you for watching. Yan ang mga Selecta big tub. Meron din tayong Kisses, Hershey's, Cookies and Cream Double Dots, Rocky Road.
Are you a team player, hardworking individual, and have a passion for helping? We have provided skills and
Meron din tayong coffee jelly,
for you.
Obi Cappuccino, 1.3 liters yan. Pistachio. That's it for today's Unilever Company merge video. Selecta. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merge videos. Thank you for watching. God bless us all always.